Hello, I'm Matt. I'm an embedded engineer at Renesas, and today we'll be going over our dual motor demo. It's based off the MCK RA8T1, which is a Cortex M85 processor. So we have two motors, one for simulating motor misalignment, and another one for detecting unbalanced load in a motor. And what's so exciting about this demo is that instead of sensors, we're just using current values read from the ADC, which helps us lower sensor costs, and it also enables predictive maintenance through a firmware upgrade. And without further ado, we'll start the demo. Start up the motors. And once we're at speed, you can see we're reading all normal. And now they trigger a shaft misalignment anomaly. And now for the unbalanced load. And there you have it, dual anomaly detection on a MCK RA8T1.